Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in proportion and intent. Start with a 2000 times 2000 canvas at 300 dpi so details survive scaling. Draw an oval for the head, a rectangle for the torso, and simple cylinders for arms and legs. This makes posing predictable. Once done, add a light source layer to guide shading and create a reference layer for facial features. Make sure to save iterations. You'll refine these shapes into structure, not finalize them now. You now refine structure into character. Tighten the jawline and set eye spacing to 1 eye width apart. Correct limb lengths to match the torso. Dress the noob. Sketch clothing lines that follow body motion, add seam details and 1/4 length sleeves for personality. Once proportions feel right, lock a clean linear layer and ink with varied pressure to imply depth. Thicker lines for weight-bearing edges, thinner for details. Make sure to zoom in for hands and facial expressions so they read clearly. You complete the piece by coloring and polishing. Lay flat colors on separate layers, skin, hair, clothing, so corrections are non-destructive. Then use a multiply layer for mid-tone shadows and a soft 30% brush to blend edges smoothly. Add rim light on a screen layer to separate the figure from the background and apply a final levels or curves adjustment for contrast. Once satisfied, export a PNG at original size and save your layered file. If something looks off, recheck layer order and mask edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.